Did y'all get any rain out there while you were there today?
I tell you, Kyle knows this, we've done it when it's been 102 degrees. I've been out there in torrential downpour where you just toss the umbrella away, doesn't matter. This was by far the best weather in years.
Great. Yeah. It was a normal day. I mean, it really was a normal Memorial Day when it comes to the high temperature and the low temperature this morning. A little bit of rain around as well. That's actually, pretty typical for this time of the year. And it's still out there at the moment. We still have showers and storms across portions of North Texas. DFW proper, by that I mean, Dallas to Fort Worth and kind of everybody in between, starting to dry out a little bit. There was a little scattered thunderstorm activity back in Tarrant County earlier, a little activity in Dallas County earlier, but now most of that shifting into eastern Dallas County, kind of Garland to Rowlett, seeing a downpour, Mesquite down to Balk Springs, east to Seagoville, but walking into the Stars game, nothing going on in downtown Dallas and looking to stay that way. Where most of the rain's been over the last hour or so is Collin County. I mean, look at this. A heavy soaking's been happening in and around McKinney, portions of Allen, maybe kind of eastern Frisco there up to Melissa, to Anna, the west side of Lake Lavon there, and especially if you head east to Blue Ridge. Look at that storm that just blew up right there. Now, these are the type of thunderstorms, they blow up, they rain pretty heavily for, well, sometimes only 10 minutes. Sometimes it can be more like 30 to 45 minutes, and that's what we're seeing in Collin County. I expect a lot of this will kind of lack a punch here over the next 20 to 30 minutes or so and start to fall apart if it acts like the rest of the rain across North Texas. Like, look back at Sherman. Heavy thunderstorms earlier within the last hour, and now it's just kind of some light to moderate rain still falling south of Sherman. We have some other storms that develop from Leonard to Ladonia, southern Fannin County, trying to move into Hunt County at the moment. None of this likely to be severe, but if you find yourself underneath the storm, and if you've been under one today, it's heavy rainfall, it's lightning, maybe some pea-sized hail here or there. The general trend for this will kind of be to move to the east and die out as we head into the evening or rest of the evening here, and we lose the heat of the day. After sunset, I expect most of this activity to come to a close. There might be a little lingering shower storm activity into the early nighttime hours, but most of this activity coming to a close after sunset. 90 today for that high on this Memorial Day, 2 degrees above normal. The normal low 69, right around normal this morning at 68 degrees. I looked at last year's Memorial Day. It was 93, and the morning low was 76. A much grosser day yesterday. We weren't dealing with showers, last year, and I don't believe we were dealing with showers and storms last year because we remember summer started early and a lot of June was dry, and then you know what happened last summer, how hot and dry it was. 82 outside at the moment. The pollen count for today looks like this. Grass, hickory, and oak are all moderate, and fungus is low today. As we head through the day tomorrow, we will see some more pop-up showers and storms, but mainly across eastern areas and not the coverage that we have today in DFW, most of North Texas. 10, maybe 20% for DFW, 30% for eastern areas and over into East Texas tomorrow afternoon and evening. I mean, you can see that radar tomorrow, much quieter across North Texas than what we're dealing with today. So your rain chances tomorrow much on the lower side compared to today. And tonight, any of that rain will be coming to a close. We'll go for partly cloudy skies. 68 will be your low. And then tomorrow will be a warm and muggy day. 89 for the high. Pretty similar to today, just with lower rain coverage. And it's also an ozone action day again tomorrow. We had quite a few of those this past week, and we have another one in effect for tomorrow. Next 10 look like this. So I do have 90s returning this week. I mean, we hit 90 today, but I got more of them on the way through the upcoming week. 90 or above Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, which, as I showed you earlier, is not too terribly above normal for this time of the year. Thankfully, as we head into June, it's not like temperatures are really starting to skyrocket. And then I have some rain chances for this weekend. It does look like the weekend might be the best chance for rain over the next 10 days, but it's not going to be a washout or anything like that for the weekend, and some rain chances continue into that following week.